Quickly do iPhone XR A12 CPU. The time it took to remove the CPU is about 14 seconds. The heat gun used is model A57DW. And the temperature is 360 degrees Celsius, 60 wind speed. Make sure the CPU does not crack during the process of removal. Clean the CPU and the motherboard to ensure a proper installation. When installing the CPU, make sure hot air gun temperature 360 degrees Celsius, wind speed 60. Following the step above will ensure a successful installation. And then both test the device. Perfect boot. The customer dropped the phone. The phone did not boot. Took the iPhone to the Apple Store and warranty was rejected.